Welcome! In today's video, I'll show how to see the exact time someone reads your messages on Telegram Web after the latest update. This new option lets you get more precise details about when your messages are viewed. Perfect for keeping track of important conversations. Let's jump right into it. First, open Telegram Web on your computer and sign in as usual. Once you're inside your chat screen, look to the top left corner of the window. You'll notice three small horizontal lines. This is your main menu. Go ahead and click on those three lines to open the sidebar. Next, select Settings from the list of options. Inside Settings, you'll see several categories where you can adjust how Telegram works for you. What we need is right under Privacy and Security, so click on that. Now, scroll down a bit until you find the Last Seen in Online section. This is where Telegram controls who can see your activity and when you were last online. The new update has introduced a feature here that directly affects message read times. Click on Last Seen in Online and look for the setting called Hide Read Time. If this option is turned on, your contacts won't be able to see the exact moment you read their messages. To show the read message time again, simply disable Hide Read Time by turning that switch off. Once you've done that, your contacts will now see not just that you've read a message, but also the specific time it was read, just like on the mobile app.